Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim al-Mansouri and I got my friend
Saeed Ibrahim Zaabi.
and today we got the lesson strings and decimal types in the Visual Basic book. So I'm going to give you Saeed to introduce you about the lesson.
Today, the first idea is how to declare string variables. Firstly, text is often called alphanumeric data because it can include letters or numbers. Text can include also characters such as period, comma, or other symbol. As an example, we can say them str first name as string, and we notice that str is the prefix of the string variable, and it's recommended to use prefixes.
So now we're going to talk about concatenation. Concatenation is when you would like to add text to the existing string. In other words, you would like to string one more characters.
Concatenation appends one string to the end of the another by using the ampersand. For example, here we have this example: str compound word equal book ampersand then keeper. The string literal book and keeper, we put it in between quotation marks.
You can concatenate more than two strings in one expression. In addition, the strings can come from other variables or can be string literals. In the example below, we used the str full name equals to str first name, and we used quotation marks to we used the ampersand to concatenate, the quotation marks to leave a space, and the same story for the others.
Now it's the serious part, our practical part. Ali will show you how to do it.
Okay, so now we've got our form, and we've gotten here 3 text boxes. We give each text box a unique name for it so we can use it. What we're going to do now, we're in this specific program, we're going to type our names in here, press the OK button, then we'll get a label which is invisible right now. It will give us our full name. So how to do this? So we double click the OK button, we go here, and we start coding. First we go to the declarations section,
Then
and we start declaring the variables. So
then str
str
first name.
first name,
Notice that str is the
prefix,
of string.
and like we said, it's
Recommended to use.
recommended to use the prefixes and a string. Now do the same for all the rest text boxes, str middle name as string, and them str last name as string, and then str full name as string. So now after we've declared the variables, we start the coding. So first we'll insert the comment so we can know what's going on in this particular section. So we'll type in here, let's say, the names. So, and let's give our variables the text boxes. So let's say str first name is equal to txt first name dot txt, and hit OK. Remember, when dealing with text boxes, you need to insert .txt after the text box. It's very crucial. And we continue our work. Str middle name equal txt middle name dot txt, str last name equal txt last name dot txt, and here we've done it. Now we go to the other part of the declaring. Now here we'll put another comment, which is full name. Here is the process where we'll get our full name. So what you're going to do is type the label's name, which is for now label's first name dot text equals. Now here is where we use concatenation. So we either hard code them like literal variables.
Full name, not first name.
Sorry, full name. my mistake. Full name. So we type here our variables, and they are str. Firstly, it's your first name, obvious. Str first name. Then we use our concatenation mark, which is the ampersand symbol. Use the and we need to use the space, because if we didn't, all the words will be stuck together. So how we can use the space? We either have two ways. You can put two quotation marks in here, but insert a space before the closing quotation mark, or the other way is by inserting two quotation marks and having a space between them. So let's continue with this way. We continue typing code. Str middle name, then we use the ampersand with the space, then the other ampersand, and finally str last name. So now to the final part. When we press the OK button, it will not show us the full name because we set the value for the visible property to false. So how can we change it to true when we press the OK button? It's really basic, it's really simple. We just type LBL, full name, which is the label's name. You press dot visible, you type dot visible, sorry, equals true, and this is how we can change it. So now after we've written the code, we press the save all button, then we start declaring debugging. So now let's type our names.
Ali.
Let's type Ali Ibrahim Al-Mansouri. Hit the OK button, and we've got it.
Okay, hit now the exit button.
So
You forgot it.
for the millionth time, we forgot. You need to do code for your exit button, obvious, which is end. So save all and debugging again.
It's my turn.
He types his name just to test the program again. So we make sure there is no bugs and stuff in this program. So we've got the name correctly. Press the exit button
To end the program.
and we've ended the program. So that's all. I hope
That was our project, and we hope you enjoy it.
this project was made by Ali Ibrahim Al-Mansouri
And Saeed Ibrahim Zahabi.
from grade 11 4. Thank you for watching.